A few years ago, I put out a video about the 10 accessories that I thought every Honda Goldwing owner should have. And things have changed over the last few years. There are some new things that have come out. And there are some things that were on that list that I no longer recommend or I no longer feel like are essential. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 12 accessories that I think are essential that every Honda Goldwing owner should have. These 12 items are in no particular order, but the first up on the list for safety are these PathfinderLED Cowl lights. I absolutely love these. They were the first thing I added to my 2024 Honda Goldwing. As you can see, they provide a very bright daytime running light, and they're also sequential turn signals. These are an excellent product and they fit the design and the look of the bike perfectly. Highly recommended. Next on my list is another safety related item from PathfinderLED. This is the dynamic switchback LED spoiler, which is super cool. I think it really improves the looks of the bike. Now this one is for the 2021 and later Goldwing. There is a version for the 2018 to 2020 models as well, but it's got the sequential turn signals, it's got a modulating brake light, and it has the running light. Now what I like about this is it puts those lights up high on the bike so they're more visible to automobile drivers. Next up is another safety item that I've had on every Goldwing I've owned since 2006, and that is the Muth sequential turn signal mirrors. They come in a chrome or a blue tint mirror. I love the blue because it kind of cuts down on the glare from headlights behind you. You get everything in the kit you need to install these. I also have a video showing how to install these. These are super high quality, and I probably get more compliments on these signal mirrors than anything on my Honda Goldwing. You know I can't do a video without recommending my own product, my Honda Goldwing maintenance videos for the 2018 plus Honda Goldwing. These videos will save you a ton of money over the life of your Goldwing. The videos will show you everything from oil changes to performing your own 4,000 mile and 8,000 mile services, how to change your air filter. That alone can cost you $400 or $500 at a dealership. I'll show you how to inspect your brake pads, change your brake pads if necessary, and your brake fluids, all the normal maintenance stuff that you pay hundreds of dollars for at a dealership. These videos go step by step. They're very detailed, they're very high quality, and they are designed for somebody with just minimal mechanical skills. These videos are professionally edited in high definition, and they're currently being used by thousands of Honda Goldwing owners in over 35 different countries. There's currently over 90 videos in the series, and as new videos are added, you don't pay anything extra. There's no subscription fees. You pay one time and they're yours to use forever. You can stream these videos to any device like an iPad or an iPhone or a laptop computer, or you can even download them for viewing offline. Moving on to my number 5 pick are the sequential turn signals from PathfinderLED. Part of the reason I like these is I just think they look cool. I do like the bright white daytime running light, but the sequential turn signals really, to me, they look like what should have come from the factory. These are plug and play, they're easy to install, and I do have videos on YouTube showing how to install these. All of these lighting products I've been recommending really wouldn't be possible without the PathfinderLED lighting distribution hub. I should have put this at the very beginning because it's the first thing I install before I install any electronics on the motorcycle. New motorcycles have very sophisticated computer-controlled electronics, and you have to protect that system, and this provides a fused protection. It goes underneath the seat. I have a complete video that shows how to install this, and it is a must-have for any Honda Goldwing owner that's going to add electrical accessories. It also adds plug-and-play simplicity for adding any of your PathfinderLED lighting products, as well as other brands. They do make adapters, so you can add plug-and-play lighting from just about any company. Another product that I've had on my last two Goldwings is the F4 Customs windscreen. Now, I find the Honda windscreen to be too narrow and too short. This 20-inch F4 Customs with that little recurve at the top really provides better wind protection. It's also a little bit wider, so it takes a little wind off of your shoulders. If you're a tall rider, they make a +4 windscreen like I'm showing you here, and that thing gives you maximum protection. It's wider, it's taller, especially if you carry a passenger on the back. It's going to give you all the protection you need. And unlike other windscreens, these have a proprietary coating. You can even use paper towels and window cleaner if you need to. F4 Customs are the best windshields made, in my opinion. Another essential product, in my opinion, is the engine guard from Traxxion Dynamics. This thing is a beast. It's built like a tank out of super thick aluminum. It mounts on the underside of your motorcycle to protect your engine crankcase. All it takes is hitting one piece of road debris or even a rock can kick up from your front wheel and crack that engine, and that can cost $12,000 in repairs. I've had it happen to me. This engine guard is the cheapest insurance you can buy to protect your motorcycle from serious damage. And like every product in this video, I have videos showing you how to install this, and I'll also put links to all of these products in the description of this video. Another comfort item that I think is essential are these upper air deflectors that come from Honda. These are easy to install. You can do it in about an hour, and I have a video that shows you how to do it. I prefer these over some other ones that are available on the market because I think they fit the look of the motorcycle, plus Honda quality, you can't beat it. Now, in the summertime, you can fold these in, and you can do this while you're riding. It's very easy to reach these. You fold them in the summertime to direct air up to you, and it'll put some wind on your chest to cool you off a little bit. And then in the wintertime, you fold them out like this to help block the wind from your hands and even from your shoulders. They work reliably. I think they fit the looks of the bike perfectly, and you get the Honda quality. Another comfort item are these highway pegs from Goldstrike, and I really do like these. I've tried 3 different sets of highway pegs from different companies, and these are the ones I've settled on for my bike. Not only are these very easy to install, but they've got a lot of adjustments that you can make. I think they're kind of cool looking. I really like the looks. They make them in a chrome and a matte black. I have the matte black on my bike. They also make rider foot pegs to match these, so you can have a consistent look. Okay, let's go back to safety. This isn't something you add to your motorcycle, but it's something that I think every motorcycle rider absolutely has to have, and that is the brake-free helmet light. It'll fit just about any helmet out there on the market. You can interchange them between helmets. I have 2 different ones, one for each helmet, but you can easily pop these off and pop them on a different helmet. The decelerometer lets drivers behind you know when you're coming to a stop, and it lights up very bright. There are 3 different light modes, but they all have that decelerometer feature where they light up bright when you come to a stop. The brake-free lights recharge with USB-C. They have an excellent battery life. I've ridden 12-hour days, no problem. I've never had one go out on me. There's a power saver feature, so if you take your helmet off, it conserves battery life. I think they look really nice, and I think they're super important for safety. Now, I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video where you can save some money if you use my affiliate link. These things do sell out from time to time, so make sure you order yours as soon as possible. My final essential recommendation are for those of you that have a DCT Honda Goldwing. You can use this on any motorcycle, but especially if you have a DCT, you probably already know how much you hate the parking brake. The bullet brake solves a problem of the Honda DCT parking brake by installing this little hydraulic lock, and it mounts to your brake reservoir up on the handlebars. Very easy to engage, and it is super strong. Your bike isn't going anywhere when this is engaged. To engage the bullet brake, you simply pull in your front brake lever as far as you can, and then with your other hand, just push that little button in, and that locks your front brakes. No matter how hard you try, your bike isn't going to go anywhere. And to disengage is very simple. You just pull in the brake handle again, and it will pop out that little piston, and your brakes are back to normal. My driveway has a pretty steep incline, so let's test the bullet brake. Let's set the bullet brake. I'm going to pull the brake handle in as hard as I can and push the bullet brake in, and it will engage. Now I'm pulling on the bike on an incline and it's not budging. Let's put the center stand down. I'll get off the bike and you can see the bike's not going anywhere. The bullet brake installs in under 15 minutes. I have a video that shows you how to do it, and you can save 15% with discount code CruiseMan. I'll put links in the description of this video. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can do me a big favor by giving it a thumbs up. That always helps the YouTube rankings. If you have any questions or comments about any of the products I talked about in this video, please put them in the comments down below. I read every comment and I will try to respond. Also, if you have any accessories that you think are essential for a Honda Goldwing owner, put that in the comments as well. Now, if you do choose to purchase one of these products through one of my affiliate links, it does benefit my YouTube channel. Helps me pay for making videos like this. I do appreciate it. I would also mention there are a lot of other products that I am an affiliate with that I did not put in this top 12 list. So just because I'm an affiliate with somebody doesn't mean I'm going to recommend and put them on the essential list. These are the products that I firmly believe every Honda Goldwing owner can benefit from having on their motorcycle. Anyway, thanks again for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you on the next CruiseMan's Garage video. And until then, remember what I always say. Ride often, ride safe.